Let's say your Linux system is slow. Where do you even start to troubleshoot? I'll show you a simple method to find the problem step by step. Every performance issue comes from one of four things. The first thing being CPU, memory, disk, or network. Let us simulate a CPU issue using the command stress-CPU2. Let's hit enter. Now using a second terminal, let us use the command htop, which shows you the CPU usage on your Linux machine. Now, as you can see, we got the command that we ran earlier, stress-CPU2. Under CPU, you would find that the size is increasing and decreasing. Looking at other commands, you will find that the highest CPU usage here we have is 50.3. However, the command that we ran last is eating up more than 100% of the CPU. This shows you that this is where the issue lies. So what do? You find the process, you kill it. When we return here, you will find that the command eating up the CPU is gone. This is how you can easily troubleshoot CPU-related issue. The next thing we are going to troubleshoot is memory issues. To do this, we can use the command free-m. I will first of all show you the sizes or the status of the memory here. As you can see, the used memory, the free memory. As we did with CPU, let us apply some pressure to the memory. This is the command we are going to use. Let's hit enter. Now let's go back here and run this command again. As you can see, the use space is now far higher than what it was earlier before the pressure was applied. In this case, this shows us that the issue lies with the memory of the system. So what do? You start to troubleshoot memory-related issue. Let's hit enter again with the same command. As you can see, it is still increasing. By the way, as it increases, you can see that the free space is also decreasing. Before we apply the pressure, the free space was this, but now look at what we've got. It is possible that when we hit enter again, it might keep increasing. Now it decreased a bit. However, the free space also increased a bit. That's how you can easily troubleshoot memory-related issue in your Linux environment. There is also something called disk bottleneck. We are going to use this very command to apply some pressure again. Now using the second terminal, let us run some command. When you run that command, look under util. 90, as you can see, 97%, 106%. That is to say, even if our CPU is fine, the system can be slow because the disk is busy. This is called an I/O bottleneck. So when you are using Linux server and the system is slow, use these steps I show you now to identify where the issue lies and fix it right away. It's that simple. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to the channel, to like and to share? Thank you.